Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Installer's Assistant. My name's Marty and today I'm working on a 2009 Holden Commodore VE. This is the Omega model. It's the wagon, but the VEs in the Series 1 are pretty much all the same thing. We're going to take the rear door cut off to get access to the speaker. So to do this I'm going to need my Trusty 4140 pry tool, a pick tool, a Torx T20, Phillips screwdriver, and possibly some side cutters or a pry tool to remove any clips that go missing. So I'm going to start with my pick tool, and right in here there is a little plastic panel. Let's go pry that off. And behind that is a T20 Torx. Okay, then we move on to our Phillips. There are two screws at the bottom. There's one about there, you can actually feel it with your finger. Actually it feels like these are missing. But there's one about there, and yep, those are both missing in this car. And then there's two more. There's one right in here, but it's deep, so I can find that one. One, and the other one is up in the front here. When you're doing the front doors, they only have the one, they don't have the front one. Now that that's off, all we have to do is physically pop the door cut off. So I'd normally use my pry tool and wedge in the bottom. This is already loose, so I should be able to pretty much just tug it towards me. So I'm going to start this side, work my way around. Open. That's a good sound. Now, unlike most doors where they lift up, these doors come towards you, so this clips all the way along here, but we'll start at this end, not that end. Alright. And the reason is because this plug here and the lead that goes back is very, very short. Okay. And behind here there are two yellow clips for the door handle. Basically slide them out and then release them. Okay, and now you can see the length of this cable. It is very, very, very short. There is a clip on the back of it which you can get to with your finger. Push it in, slide it out, and the door becomes free. And that is how you take the door off. So you have a 6-inch speaker with a spacer. I'll go around the other side and show you what I've done. So on this side, this is an Audison. It's an APX 6.5, and I've had to use a TDJ APS 290R speaker adapter because the one that comes with it is a 6, and we need to put a 6.5 inch in there. So yeah, there you go guys. How to remove the door card from the rear of a Holden Commodore VE to replace the speakers. Keep watching, there will be another video for the front doors, the tweeter, and we're going to plan the radio as well. Don't forget to subscribe and like the notifications, and I'll see you soon.